What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people with up on the road I walk, so if you hear look a vehicle I saw seeing. So you are going on our people. Seeing you look like say I had bring down part of the whole series with Rosealee and Akeem and all guys. You look like say Rosealee ready to bring down the G in the wickedest way. You see me I say I'm here people did I say this a long time say it soon reach to the party. You know what I mean? We just hope say she not go to extra and this the dog certain way cause he's been nothing but good to her. You know what I mean? Whether him did I fake it or not, he was good to her. You understand? And our youth them same way. The only person him never good to a Jakes. You see me? So you are going. We also have Dee and Ivany I go at it my people. You see me I say? We also have Shay expose Sky Diamond. You remember them come and bring down Jabbas, say him whatever with a girl and something. Them see a Sky Diamond did I pretend to be the girl. You see me I say? So people me don't know if everything that me share with you in the intro. But as usual, when I go see in a video when I share in the intro, I may add more things as we go on so make we get in it.
Me a question that. I'm not going on that either. Not even go along
no, mommy, because Peter can come on and say she love you. Peter can say she love you and you're not have anything. So if we keep our mouth out of it.
But you tell life for me, me love you, but you tell. But your friend tell life for me, me have a question that. You tell life for me. Say you have a tell life for me. I don't come to the house. For me, I come in over and tell you so. When you got photos, you can use shoot and sing paper. You don't have to tell a lie. When you tell lie for me, for say you tell lie for me, what extra people say? The world them for listen and be real. If you come out and tell a blunt lie for me I got things that the girl is a lie. I would just show me her scar.
Don't mute the sharers them chat. Make them share it. A warrior chat.
More someone to be fair by as big man, you know. More someone to really fair by as big man. You argue this come and tell a blunt lie on me like that. That's what me say. You can't find a proof and know me say so. Who you? Screen card, you go look for that, that make no sense. You said I said it to you. Don't go look for the screen card. Don't go look for the screen card. And you have to text on my blood clot phone. I tell me I go to it boy if I carry you. So I carry you because just a puppy show. When I carry blood clot, I'm a puppy show. Puppy show. Eh? Now you call up a fucking phone and ask me about boy and ask me like why. Because I need to do them for points and the things them. Show up my life, what's up, the night you over there, but when Rosealee comes, she'll give me the 411. I mean, I chat to her. I mean, I chat to her. The last time me do that stinky woman there, I want to send me 3,000 like credit on the date here. I should text me and ask them to reach on me and look. Why should I show that? You want to tell them the real reason why I'm not chat to her, she want to tell me about the boy. I'm not allow her to tell me about her body. He said me want to chat Jake, somebody can't tell me about nothing. I saw me, Steve, I can't question me. Me have all for people in my head, me not want to be there. Not me I tell the world. Me have them now, me don't have one bag of people in my head, but them one bag of things already. Me don't need nobody else to make a blood clot. He said me come to the chat there, me want to chat there for my own. He said me come to the chat somebody, and when them do me I talk about. Me don't like looking from there, me not going nowhere with you, nobody can pay me. I'm not out, I'm not looking at things until I'm hungry. Me have a blood clot team. Me have Gemini, me have Wolf and Mood Swing. Me don't have a blood to go, me get a live it. Me get like it. Go sport tell two girl. And one person come here to talk about me and them see how I talk about that. Nobody not force me to talk, nothing I want to chat. Me don't tell lie. That's what I say? Yeah. What the fuck you gonna talk about? What you gonna chat say? Chat say what? Me and I chat blood clot. When me and I chat, she never chat. Me and I chat blood clot. You never chat about. Talk about people and the app. Only for blood clot because she don't like and I don't like them. So me and I have a similar thing people that we don't like. That's what I tell you now. Me and I have some common ground and some people should like. You know, go down and learn blood clot details. I'm not call up a lot of people and come now and you can't tell them I got shot in. You can't tell them I got shot in. That things on me you should say, oh, me infection, so she got this and me infection like a special people yeah, blood clot till. And me I think that might come here tear down that personally. Sometimes they look for your thinking woman. People you don't like on app and me don't like them with chat. Don't tell me like for me come here and I will argument going nobody. Nobody at that me and I will argue blood clotment with. Come here and a friend like that they tear me down once and you're not find out whole again. So I feel some sort of tell me the dictionary story. I'm not telling me this, I'm not telling me blood clot that. Yeah, woman I have to the back to school I'm gonna look for you. For some reason, I tell them about it. You know, you need to turn on one, and for some reason, I tell them blood clot good. You put one friend, I want to be at KFC. Yeah, I just up on the phone, I talk about KFC and 7 people. You come tell the people them that. You should leave out blood clot that. You just want to tell them the thing. Power. We sub the blood clot like I do the blood clot that, and you over there show the like on your phone. Put it. But from the talk about that, you won't wait on me for call. That's a boy lawyer. You know, for real, not to take care of the part. I know everything. I mean, me Rosealee, I didn't know blood clot shit. Ugly girl. Remember me see a real blood clot face. I see a real blood clot face. Remember me know say you're like, your eye shut down. You're bad in a real life. Your face locked down. Means you hear them come like somebody will asleep and I walk and say you look. When you come tell like me, Rosealee, you make me a question, fit against story. In the individual when me hear me say I can't know where to come from. Don't tell me the words that you know I tell like I'm gonna tell me. I can't say what I say. To me, some of the blood clot teeth, I stay far from them and I go close to you. I can't ride alone, I ride like myself. Not tell a lie for me. Don't tell a fucking lie for me. I don't like when I say that. But if you are gonna look at me and tell a lie for me, you have a question all over you. In the period of time when me and you talk, you have a question the one lie where you tell for me, you never. Yeah, you know so you.
Hey, my people, Rosealee no easy. You know, Rosealee is a TikTok liar if you have somebody where sleep and a walk. But Rosealee did say look like somebody where I walk and look like them want sleep. You saw me I say, boy, come like, Rosealee should have take a screenshot and that Rosealee should do a record the call. You know what I mean? Seeing that she hide from everybody. Record the call so that we can see the face and hear the voice. So she can't say I know she. You see what I say?
Don't suppose that has been questioning me about people. I don't have to me. You start questioning me, asking me like the boy and this and that. So we ask for them the question for. I said to my big man, Rosealee don't make you like a boy. Don't make you question you.
True.
Get time because she can't sit down and question me. That's 411.
I know that chicken. I know it chicken. No chicken, Rose. Remember, I know who me I deal with. That's why I run out last night and say receipt.
She had over there say, oh me say how much me I like diamond. And she can't come with this receipt and now.
Receipt. Cause we not come
have no receipt. What a receipt then?
Yeah, I have none. Cause I know she not have none. That's why I'm asking.
She not have.
That's why I'm asking.
She not have. Where she get this from? That's why when him tell me say him believes, I just put me to the core. I'm know me not tell her so. And the worst thing I do, I couldn't tell her life for me. You remember you got tall. Even one class me do the thing that when you say I tell her life for me, I know remember rage. I just rage there for me. Me kind of argument with somebody when I never know about blood clot people. I don't know about people. You walk and look for all screen cards. Who walk? Me and blind the palaver and blind my talk when my blood clot talk about people. Me look. Don't still blame them. I blame them talk about a lot of blood clot people. I'm right. I'm not even listening. See me get them having an argument.
No friend. Can't keep no friend, no loyalty.
Loyalty the blind good woman have. Lie.
I tell you, sissy, no loyalty you not have liar. And me, Tamara, you can't win the warrior. You're crazy. You can't win. It's a one warrior. You can't win for the app. Remember me tell you that. Move your little Judas with yourself. And I love no peace.
Tomorrow when woman say, Mrs. America, I'm go back and look at the message them. Me say, when me tell her so. The conversation with me, I know what we talk about. The conversation, I know what we talk about. You understand? All of the conversation, I know what to talk about. I know me never tell her that. I'm a fool, but she said Akeem is very respectful. Him seems like a nice Rose. You can't play match with him. As long as him not disrespect you, connect a coins, everything will good. Me say yeah. Him really got tell me so, oh, you believe that me so long I chat him. He said that I don't even want to see him face. So I don't know. Can't bother.
Easy, my girl. Big up yourself, Rosie. Guys, I know so Rosie come, check on her corner, and then she come. Liar, you can't win the warrior. You're mad?
Hold them, Rosealee. Hold them like a Reggie.
I meet tomorrow, know you.
She talk for phone, she record her. I know what so the girl say. I know this.
Everybody tell him, everybody put the shade up on the remember a long time, a Sky, we know Sky years over here, so.
Thank you, Jesus. Hey, God. God, me don't know, I forgot give my life to God, you know, come here, tell you, say no, man. You see that man when he am God, he never fail me yet.
Who's Wagwan?
Never fail me.
Look here,
never fail me yet.
She said a lot.
She don't want Peter Gay call her phone. Because Peter Gay never knows, so she makes sure she's glad, so she record everything with everybody. Sky says she have everything with everybody. She said, make she calm down.
She Peter Gay, our fake story. She said a liar, but Peter Gay.
Thank you, Jesus.
Oh, that means that I come like this, Peter Gay, a liar, set up this den.
Yes, thank you, Jesus.
What she say this day now?
Thank you, Jesus. Me never know somebody that go witness
this. They come like a liar and Peter against Sky don't know about it. You understand?
Oh,
mighty God, we can't believe.
Me never know. Me never say thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Me never know that day they go come. Me never know Brina and Destiny. Me not tell them. Me did tell them come like one girl.
Yesterday you say it by your life, say. Remember you talk, say. Peter Gay a liar and Peter Gay think this and that it show me say kind of inner it what's that when them draw Sky they never say where you put Skype on the phone
remember Destiny made it on the live yesterday when me said to you say Brina, you see when Rosealee and Sky attack, Rosealee and Liar, I said to Destiny say, when Rosealee come on the phone, Liar, Rosealee turned to Liar and said, where you draw Sky in this farm? Blood clot, tell you no. Tell you no.
But I mean, it's going on to say in the future.
Yes, Sky is coming. You know, see it.
But look at
every day I go live. Remember every day I go live, I'ma say to them say. Remember every day I go live, I'ma say Liar. I always say, Liar, you're not safe on Sky phone. No, safe on Sky phone. I'm tell you something, Brina, you know this, you know. Anybody Sky talk to on the internet, not safe on our phone. No, safe on our phone.
And people never say I years with it on TikTok, you know. A long time Sky do this, you know.
A long time,
I love record, you know. Look at me show you how Sky wicked. You remember when Sky did call your baby father? Your baby father never knows Sky did on live, you know.
Right.
A long time Sky still say, you know. I don't
know. When Sky called my baby father attack and I tell her the things, but she turn it down, she turn up. She know me couldn't hear where me really at.
That is why when Squeezy ball out now, the man asks her,
One another is just because them hate one person and them say alright, all of them the same enemy, make for team up.
And they hate Jabas, that's why.
The blood clan no say this gonna come down. Sky says she gonna
about the pit again.
Them have to leave it alone. Them have to just make this breeze because
no, but then the day the woman gonna defend herself, Brina.
No,
leave what she did say.
Night, wait the destiny me talk. You see, night me I listen to Liar, you know, somebody appeal lie over me, but Liar never call Diamond name. And the part where Liar go say Akeem a bat him and that Diamond pick up, so me I said Diamond feel it just loud that alone because somebody say them everybody have a broke way.
But hold on, when Diamond did go to the Akeem, when we figure it out, the Liar did a bust it up on them.
Yeah, she did a bust it up there long time.
That's why they start up and she a Liar for some woman say can't tell her to leave it alone, bring a camera to defend herself.
No, they still remember say she did come out and address you already in a friend.
Hey, my people, this is TikTok. You saw me I say, and this are the bring down, the epicenter bring down. And if you don't have no effort on your name, if you don't have no dirt on your name, dirt will be assigned to your name. They are going to even give you somebody, you know what I mean? If you come talk, say, boy, you do this and you do that. They are going to create a character for you. You see me? Specifically. So let me know what you think. Make you watch some more.
Long time they in a fresh dig up and the dinner she did come out and cuss and address her already. Remember she done bust up it. So me I said this a party with she and Rosealee, you know. Cause remember say I get a 5 and mash up. We get a 5. Rosealee. Liar and them.
Eve left Diamond by it out. Rosealee arguing she have all to buy it out because at the end of the day, the Liar did trouble the woman first. Liar always a text it pan Diamond from ever since from a long time. Remember she say only $50 pay for Diamond. She always a text it pan Diamond. So if Diamond come out and talk, the man always come out and talk.
True.
You understand? She always a text it pan the woman.
Who said the bird paper fake?
What if fake?
Who them said the bird paper fake?
No more Sky.
Okay. So come here, Brina. When me did come and tell them say the bird paper fake, what them do me?
Shay and Destin tax say bird paper fake already.
But everybody Shay, everybody knows safety. Everybody know. But everybody, and they did say but everybody did say
you know, Shay.
Listen, and me find out for the bird paper.
I do find out for the bird paper and the picture. I say you do it. The bird paper and the picture.
And me put the internet show me show the internet the bird paper. And me come here and show them so the bird paper fake.
True. Are you the picture and the bird paper?
Remember, say me come live and me tell everybody say go pound have on the bird paper and on the house and look on it and tell. I'm tell you now we're missing. I'm showing you what me I talk about.
True, yeah, talk.
And me tell the internet so the bird
paper and the picture, two of them.
The fuck?
Both the bird paper and the picture.
Now wicked.
Everybody but Shay, nobody never been say bird paper real. Everybody that look for them on. And them alone need a stay real, but they never real. But even Rosealee did talk. All the bird paper, my Rosealee come out and say that is not a real bird paper, and I said, Sky, I come out with too much. Remember? That's why that's why we should have known, say, I know Sky set up Peter Gay at liars to Peter Gay, because Sky I come out with pure fake thing. You understand?
You know? Right, exactly. But guess what now? Remember, it's them carrying Skype on the mission because Rosealee said. Rosealee said, she said the liar, so why you bring Sky in at this?
She forget it. Rosealee, she forget everything she deserves. She get it. She's too evil. She's like evil.
Yeah, I try to tell us that the only somebody in a them evil is Sky. Me know her a long time.
Listen now.
Maybe about 5 years now, me know that they don't take y'all there.
Evil. Rosealee,
if she can come with birth certificate, if she can come with fake doctor report and fake birth certificate, who you think wicked in this? Ask her.
You know, I'm glad.
Let me show you all Sky life. When me and Sky was friend and mother, them come out with someone with Queenie. Remember, Queenie ex-girlfriend text me, you know. And Sky switch up the argument, you know. And me I say, but this is two different messages. Cause me have the message. You go, when I tell say the girl text me, he must say, oh, the girl text me before she. So me know Sky wicked in this. You understand? Wicked.
When you look on this, Sky wicked, you know. But you see, Rosealee, she's the instigator. She is the instigator against everything. Remember, say,
Rosealee bring it up, you know. But who come up with Peter against situation? A mother,
liar
and Rosealee. Listen.
Liar and
Rosealee come about the Peter Gay first and draw Sky in it.
Mother get back, Monkey Coco get in there.
Because them say is Monkey Coco had blood clot Rosealee. So Sky was the last person who get draw in it because Rosealee stayed upon her life and say, when she said the liar, say, why you add Sky in this? Why you draw Sky in this for? So is the liar drawing Sky in the Peter Gay situation. But the gang of 5 is a liar. The one of them are evil destiny. We can't take out. All of them are blood clot evil. The gang of 5 are evil.
All of them. Whole gang of 5.
Whole gang of 5 are evil.
Mighty God, Monkey Coco and mother, guys. Monkey Coco and mother. I don't know Monkey Coco and mother.
The one of them are evil, guys. We cannot take them out. We can't say Sky are evil, Sky are evil, girl, yes.
Sky are evil for a long time.
Everything. Let me tell you, see the blood clot, rest of them, all of them are evil. We can't take out one and left.
None of them.
The whole gang of 5 are evil.
So, what Peter Gay do to Sky now? Make Sky go answer upon her.
Sky say, Peter Gay go for liar life, go say. She mix up and she says, Sky said to her, say, so Peter Gay, when you go for liar life, but I'm mix up, you never know, so mix up when you come with the story, I'm going to buy out your story.
Yeah.
I'm going to buy out your story, I'm going to defend up on the internet, girl. And me say, Sky said the bird paper, blood clot fake. So Peter Gay story fake to chat? Come here, me ask you now.
Let me fake.
Come here, wait.
Some people tell me what they think. I mean, I talk too much. You know what I mean? Make a watch some more.
More story for come out, you know, because me they come tell on a blood clot or no beat me on the internet.
No, when me tell you say, so when they don't like you, I say come against. When I tell you that.
beat me no blood clot. When I come here, I tell you say that story and no blood clot makes sense. I'm glad me never jump on it. I'm glad me. Let me tell you something about me. No one don't understand. You see that girl right there, so as much as all no blood clot, me a genius. Me a genius no blood clot because guess what? I'm glad say that anytime my mother give birth to me, I never was a yes man. And everything what the internet say, me say. Me no work with that. You see what internet say yes, me say no.
But remember, but listen, remember me and them were friends that time. Why me and them fall out? Because I told him that I don't believe the story. It add up. Again, they would draw me in the car. You know why they would draw me in there? They know say me a go talk.
No, them not go put you in there. Them not go try you.
Them not go so that's what them do what them a do. You understand? Because them know say, me go say no say a lie, them a tell. Me go come out and say a lie.
Listen now. Only can always hate me, man, but me ever tell the truth and me ever the pampine. But guess what? You see, you not like me? You never come be, oh, Shay, too enough. Me not like Shay. Me not this. Ray. Me a lie, me a that. But everything on my blood clot tell you now play out in on the face. Everything on me tell you now play on the face right now. On the feel. Oh, all of on feel. On feel good about the situation? Fuck out, no. I'm glad me never get up and say yes. Yes, job I said do it for true. I'm glad me never do it. What a way me can sit back and laugh. Me and Destiny and laugh after it's sweet me no blood clot. It's sweet me. I couldn't wait for the blood clot jeepers creepers them kick off. I couldn't wait. Kaya defend lie. Why? When you see this guy, no. When you say Kaya liar was a friend, she did a defend liar.
See the last day, the Friday, August 8th, you see it? Friday, August 8th. Send me some credit, please, pan this number. Me say, which phone? She said, this one. Me say, Flora Digicel. She said, Digicel. Blah, blah, blah. Thank you. Me say, you ready? She said, talking to my bestie. When in live get cut off, me I call her. Me text her. Me say, what happened to the live? No, and me say, you're home. That was our last conversation. Me no call her after no date and ask her nothing but no date. She too fucking lie. Me no call her about no date. Me no call her from August. Me no text her. The only time me call her August 8th is when time the live cut off. What the fuck you talk about? Why you so fucking lie, woman? I don't talk to this woman the whole time. As she texts me about the credit, and me say, that's fine. Me not ask her nothing about the date. What the fuck you talk about? Me say she too lie. Me not ask her nothing about the date. She say for entertainment. And me say go and go get your. Me say get your coins, girlie. That's all me say on the phone to her. Bring up the one with Jakes. That's why me say turn to her and me say show Jakes it's entertainment. Because we already had the conversation and she say entertainment. What me record conversation for Leah? I don't record people. Me not record people. I don't record people. Me not have time for that. I don't. See the August 6th, because the next conversation was August 7th. August 6th before me say, go out with Jakes and have a drink. Show him it's just entertainment. Akeem is very respectful. Somebody have something against the boy? If me say that, me have something against the boy, me say Akeem is very respectful. This is the time to prove to Jakes. See entertainment. And that me I tell her. That is what I'm telling her. At the time to prove to your man, say entertainment. Because you tell me, say entertainment. Well, if you say entertainment, me no must say go on your car. Yeah, entertain people. Don't you have to get paid? You are entertaining people. Don't you must get paid when you entertain people? So if me tell you, say, all right, girl, go and go get your coins. What wrong with that? What wrong with that? You're entertained, so you're supposed to get your coins. What wrong with that? Guys, me I hear the woman say, me talk to her 4 or 5 hours. The longest I've ever spoken to this woman was 56 minutes. And it was the night of her birthday, June 12. What the fuck she a talk about? You're too fucking lying, man. The only time me ever talk for more than 56 minutes at the night when time Peter get relocate. The first time I ever talked to you. The fuck you talk about? Be a story she fucking tell. Like we are talking about me tell us the woman in her house. I didn't even know to the chat did I tell you that. Me tell you say woman in her house, bitch, when, where, or you too fucking lie. The boy finding way out and the boy gone about him business. The first time you can't tell them say because me talk about triple and me not have no loyalty. So when it change now? Me I tell you to use the boy for coins. The boy didn't have no coins to use for. Just to stop tell lie, yo. Every time you do this thing, everybody you do it, you lie.
Hey, my people, you know, say Rosealee wicked though. Rosealee wicked, you know. Remember, you know, Rosealee said that woman is blind by her TV, you know. And Rosealee make her coins on TikTok and make her money, you know. And still, I beg this a woman your money for sending credit. Why, my people? Them people up on TikTok, they're easy still, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. Let me know what you think. I watch some more.
You're too fucking lying, the delusional people them we are talk to. Me you don't have no the one conversation me ask you about the first time me even talk to you about the Akeem. The first night when time me rank and go number one. And me said go the girl you bring one more guy number one. I say me nah share me clout. You even turn to me and you say you're gonna make it, you're gonna tell him if it making top gift to them moderator. To give them moderator. And you say that to me, I say, okay, that's a good thing. You turn to me and you're gonna say, you're gonna tell him if turn it, make him top gift to them be moderator. If you tell him if making top gift to them be moderator. Because I think the first, me say guys, me don't have nothing but the boy. The night the boy I rang for number one, me stay up late with them the whole night. Because if you don't know, Jamaican ranking finish 4 o'clock in the US. I watch the whole live. After the live, I say, yeah, you gotta girl, you make one more get number one. And she even turned to me and say, yeah, man, I soon come class me and say me bad mind. She said she gonna tell him say to make him gift to them. That the people them like I think I the same sexy diva and one next person it over there shoot for him the night day. And she said she gonna tell him say turn them in a moderator. Me say one time the girl go and see the subscription balance. She change up. When she see the subscription balance and she said she can't make money. Well listen, me never have nothing to say bad about Akeem. I you say it. That's why I tell you say if you can you say entertainment, I say alright, when the boy go and see me, I say why you never go outside and make Jakes feel more comfortable and Jakes is say entertainment. Go outside, me say Akeem respectful. Go outside. You're in the house like up act like you never know say out there. You know for heaven and earth say the boy out there. And you act like you never know. You're too fucking lie, man. If you stop it. You say it. You fucking say it. So what if you fucking say the boy about him and you say it? Then I'm blaming never sit down on one live one whole night and I'm blaming cuss and say the boy about him, man. And you sit down on the live with him and you say it. But you never know say your Akeem thing they gonna take off like this. You never know say your name something that take off like this. You never know. No, she never knows that I will take off like this, you know. And when she go and see the boy, balance, and that's when everything about her start change now. Because she see how much money they might make and all these things. You're too fucking lie, bitch. If you stop tell lie. Where else she say me say chat? Can you make me hear pieces, you know? Where else she say me say? Me not say that, but me, I never have a bad, I think me never have a bad conversation. Me never tell her to go near no Akeem. Akeem need have coins for them much chat. When time she talk to Akeem. Akeem never make no coins. So all me forgot tell herself you go use the boy for coins. That makes sense? Does that fucking make sense? You see entertainment and me say go and girl get your coins. That's what I said to you. Get your coins. You come the next day, you say because you never like how me a talk about Daima. Tina, what's up? You never like how me a talk about Daima. And you tell me if you stop talk about triple, and me a talk about me still a talk about triple. Appeal you tell. That's why you say you come the next day and I say me a talk about triple. Let me say what the rest when me a talk about triple. And you never like how me a talk about Daima. From that me no look for you, bitch. The date after the date me never ever call you. It's like my spirit just they gone from you. Me not chat to you. And long after that you come and tell TikTok about this and that. You too fucking lie. But me on the phone for 4 or 5 hours. The most me talk to you upon your fucking birthday night. 50 fucking 6 minutes. You too fucking lie. You have to stop it. Yeah, man, cause she go on the date and she realized that she get little coins and she a go on with herself. So she a feel herself now. Because a long time, cause remember before this, never to a go on fear, she come and she make her little 100K coin and she gone. Not never go on fear before this. Not never to she not say she never have up. She said me talk about everyone. The fuck I me talk about everyone. Who gives a fuck? Who gonna beat me? Who the fuck gonna beat me? The boy don't want you and he find a way to get rid of you. You know, see you fucking here, you see your piglets, them are idiot. You know, see your fucking piglet in getting way out. Because he can't let you panic when I feel left you because of something where you do. Because he don't want the fucking internet to bash him. So I'm gonna say because of what you say, why him leave, you fucking idiot, you. You see a fucking idiot, the boy getting way out and gone. The boy tired of you. Boy making team and gone. He's a fucking idiot. And you look a piglet them. Yeah, escape route. Him one left far. I'm escape route. So him get him escape route, but him have to make it look like a something where she do. Because remember the last time when the sexy diva situation and everybody a bash him saying use her. So he can't come with that again. He have to give you one different excuse, bitch. You know she say you're idiot. You know she say you're idiot. She have to give you one different excuse. Because if him did into you like how you say him into you, nothing when nobody tell him could make you no break up. You fucking idiot, you. Yeah, we worse than man mascot. First you come yesterday, say a Jakes make a series mash up. Then all of a sudden now when me say make a series mash up. But what the rest this? How you see appear like she telling her? She play the pity party, the sympathy party up here like she tell. You come with you and you say Jakes never beat you yet. King Mel's what's up? You say Jakes never beat you yet. I fight you and Jakes fight. That she said chat. She come with you and she said Jakes never beat her. I fight she and Jakes fight. If you think she an idiot, I fight she and Jakes fight. No, Jakes beat you how much this, that. Every minute your fucking story change. Every minute your fucking story change. She said that, not Steffi, she said that. What the fuck you know when she said that? Ask the chat if she never said that. She said Jakes not beat her, a fight, then fight. If Jakes take your money, Jakes not take your money. Me not add no now, me not no. Moving a ass.
Why would I meet me youth them in my abya? Every song I talk with people any at all. When them can't come back to party time, won't even tell me youth them around you. I won't even meet you. Pussy, you see that a blood clot sense.
Rosie.
See I idiot.
Rosie, calm down, my girl, please.
You get me ignorant.
No, Rosie, calm down,
You gonna
please.
meet them.
Hey, my people. This everybody did a talk about it, this everybody did a one Akeem about it, say yo, Rosealee I go good till she get bad. And remember say she go bring you down because of her style that. See it here now, my people. Words come to pass.
Me I do not do them if you say a batchman alone, you alone. That makes sense. Not a man of skanks, Tamara. It's the nigga idiot.
No, baby girl. Easy, my girl. Easy. Easy, Rosie. Please. Easy, my girl. Easy, my girl. Please. May I beg you that one there?
Me I talk for 1 month, man. It don't make no sense. I can't run me out there. Me not go out with you. Me not fuck you. Me not kiss you.
Rose, stop. Stop, sister. You can't make them win. You can't make them win.
Them have to win. Take the bag of draws. Me get the want to bring down me get panis a blood clot net ya. Me just feel like somebody just talk come like I just make them have it. If you got them depressed and me blood clot depressed. I want more me for pussy blood clot. No. Me sit down with you. Me talk to you. You come to more people. I tell you, what the fuck people get to more babies with people. I tell you, I can share that. Ask if you're about him, I ask if you're about him, man, bro. I don't even know what the fuck, no. I'm trying to show him back. I want me out them. Me out them mean even me not start thing to me in a life. You try familiar. You can't tell me shit. I every year gonna look at me and tell me, say you believe what people are say. Say me say. Okay.
Oh, girl. I tell you.
That's okay. It's okay, it's fine, it's good, it's okay. It's okay. So over there, oh, me eat diamond, I know me this, I know me that, and the big pussy woman, I know me never tell her that, you know. The big fuck out mouth woman, I know me never tell her the blood clot, you know. Me never blood clot tell her that. Even when I time when me they like shot text, I tell me say, oh, woman name house. Say, woman name house, what the fuck? People tell us about Batman, when you want them to say, woman name house. Me have messed them, them say, shot text, but them say, keep respect, keep respect, yo. You had the 411 on BC for the time, I tell you, I'm on you. Me, you are so much about this nigga. What if me and you that so much about this blood clot nigga? Me won't jump off. Me I jump off. Eh? Me tell say me no want to know Batman. Why the fuck me not jump? Me won't jump off. Makes sense? Enough of chat thing. Why the fuck me and the bitch that jump? Them can't jump and they get faster them stare. Me and you, me and chat blood clot. You and me I do this times. I'm in a wreck though. The fuck me I go with blood clot like I'm not blood clot, man. But even no pussy clot, man. Me have a man, damn. You have much about pussy connection with the blood clot, and I'm trying to keep it intact. But what do you know? I mean, since we just done the blood clot, you can talk. Me don't want a blood clot talk me get for you. I still hold the blood clot. I got the more people have blood clots. You clot on me. You have read up on the blood clot people them. Suck up, girl. You don't know about blood clot if you mix up my blood clot. Thinking all. Go suck your mother. I knew what I'm someone in the house. The phone. When I text me. Go ask me when I'm in and blood clot. That makes sense. Suck your mom and I'm going to stinking blood clot. Talk me, woman. What will you put on the place of my body, man?
Hey, we wait on the proof. Come know them approve run the app. We see it. And a bag of
I
money.
said to all them lie, to all them blood clot lie, like sure. To all them lie, like sure, them a come and put on a lie. I told them and say more the next day.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. We are watch some more, boy. John know people, boy, don't stumble up.
So them stay. So the question things, you know, because for me, so long I question blood clot things, you know. Oh, stinking blood clot, woman, that's some piss me off, you know. Me say we based long and blood clot. Oh, I pray that month and it's just a lie. I got tell more people blood clots. I got tell more people. That's this way you preach. This is what shit you want to them. Black him. Black him and black figure it out. My series done. Me survive. God have my back. Yeah. But now have nothing more for song and talk about Monday man and Tuesday man. Anything you want to talk, want to talk. Me no must come live and I'm not begging and me have to beg. So I can come and sub my life and if I tend to get my satisfied with it and keep it going. And the deepness for me in and nobody don't know that. I got to tell about people. Me a reason about things I got to tell about people. And that me I show you say. You say the person me a call for answer what you got to tell about people. What's more people for? Then me not follow blood clot people, but I delete it from the fuck to you by me the first floor to come a blood clot yard. Next time you could have been more people have man a warm over your day in the blood clot out. Only everybody I'm not pay them no coming up here. Fling more up in the tell you about this blood clot and all the blood clot flows, but just throw out a blood clot road and make fling me up in the blood clot tell you about a blood clot door.
Calm down. Calm down.
This is one me one nice blood clot yeah. Me a fling the tell you about a blood clot door and all the picture but tear it up and put in the garbage blood clot bin. Next blood clot come out here. Watch me not gonna come out here. Oh. Me can't have your blood clot back. When we are going to say, go on, me black wall for people. Build your blood clot platform. Build your platform. Me cannot build your platform for ya. Not tear down and they sit down. I mean, no sense. You see, he's a fucking idiot. You see, that no sense. They say, a boy game you play with me. Me cannot build your platform. Instead, we are going to, instead, we are going to say, you want me tell people I'm going to click it. I mean, I'm near boy. I'm not clicking. I say, you click your life, get in your followers, blood clot, them, build your team, build a platform. What the fuck else the people are some blood clot say, fuck. Then me the in it, if me the song attract you, and if me the song attract you with them, that's why click your life, I'm gonna click my life. Don't click your life, I know all, you know there are 52 followers, I know you don't reach 100 and add. Me there follow them I say I follow people as I follow all of them I say. If all of them say me see so who tell click your life? But then me can say here one. Me I go click my life. Me I go raise my subscription. Me go live on my page and up and come me have more followers more than you.
Sissy, calm down now, Sissy. Calm down, Sissy. Sissy, calm down.
Me have more followers more than you.
Sissy.
Until I click your blood clot live and get in your followers them.
Rosie.
For me and you. Me crash out man, bumbo clot. It video. Mr. Rosie don't fall for him for the cards. I said, okay. On the date night, on the date, she call on my blood clot for my circle, I'm not answer. Come so the blood clot you call for. I start to question me. So I question this. The interview. And la. I'm somebody like that no for question here. Just me want to bring on the media. Here by 16 cents to me, Rosalie don't me about war, you know. I saw the shit you for go up on the media. The big people that find out like with a big pussy woman said the war in themselves. I mean, I'm going to take a 411 from Rose. I'm going to tell the big pussy girl no off. The last thing they had, not a class in the door. At the port of the aquarium. Why should the class and me to set up the aquarium? Why I won? She said, "Talk off from oh, we got to me say. Trick one up. Start the story already. You know, for a screen a card. Watch never say me say from the blood clot get up. When me a say liar, you're wrong for people like on the subscription there but the blood clot. So I pass the class. I'm a transfer. Shall much of the blood class program. You know one of blood clot argument one nobody. From the bomb clot say. You ask someone about the fact of the battle boy now. I don't want to take him off my back, I'm going to take him. Who are you now? The right for me. Me can also me blood clotting and I look for you and tell us, say, boy, low diamond.
Alright, my people, leave what you are saying in the comment section. We're busy, we can't talk, you know. So make you watch some more.
Me and you chat diamond say blood clot. What? Exactly. But I'm that no somebody have today and diamond say what? Don't know about diamond. You come me and you chat diamond. Eh? What you don't talk to me talk about? Talk to me a blood clot talk about. Eh, you want me talk? No, me talk about what you talk about. I know you're not. I know you're not. To me, talk about me. I know she talk for me that talk about. Now look up blood clot. Please fucking woman you can't see, you know. I know she talk for she talk, but talk for me a blood clot talk about. Eh? Wicked blood clot, girl. There's things that will say and I think that will not blood clot say.
Yeah, me some girl.
Yeah, that's what I mean. A blood clot say. If me want ask a question, I ask a blood clot question. If me again, I ask a question. Why me that afraid for ask you or ask somebody else? I don't know lie from nowhere. Remember lie them ask somebody would tear me down and class me to my nasty. I have WhatsApp group all for my blood clot. I mean that's fool. Like life for so long and talk about the gun which you sent to give me that blood clot. Because I'm not so long and talk about the other people name. That's what blood clot talk about. Talk about what me I do now. And I try to match up with lies. You suck a piece. I want to get rid of me. Tomorrow.
Yes, sis.
From the date blood clot, they me my WhatsApp lot chat with liar August 8th.
I believe you because I get a call. And the call when I get, ask me.
Oh.
if me believe in the series, I'm say yeah, I prefer watch this right now. Yes, we get a call. Say if me really want you and Akeem for them, me say yeah, why not? It makes you feel good. So if she want there with him, she supposed to there with him.
My last WhatsApp chat with Blood Clot Liar was 8 on the date night.
Yeah.
And she tell me, set me up for fall. She set me up for fall theme. She set me up for fall theme. She never tell me why I'm up for fall. She said, no, fall theme, Rosie. Do it for the kinds. I said, okay. They like him, and I answer. Want him. She said, you like him, so want him. Don't fall theme. Do it for the kinds. Be my mind. Based on that question, I like him, and I like that. So I start to draw. I say, me not like that. You understand? Books. Books. Get text for the day on the date, them go live and 20,000 people over there. Me I think her good. Me I go pick her up now. Me see her ring down my blood class phone. I'm not answer you, but me see her, I'm not answer you. But tell her some more some credit, some about $3,000 credit. Right? She not call me, not answer. Even when them like get banana, she still a call me, not answer. The last text she text me, if me reach home, you try, you home first and I'm not answer up to now. Me not answer. Me not answer. Me not answer the bitch. She not talking to me not chat to her. She not come back to church me say blood clot what? And if you don't chip it, leave her. Bitch, brother.
Yeah, me know. Me know it can see a simple some of that because me have a friend and them tell me say I mean no say you're the person they are friend. Me not got trouble on. Me not
So
got
my blood clot. I'm going to say I left that. Simple.
I
Left
believe
that.
me
You
believe
hear my son touching so then they make every was a triple left my store. We have enough time for them pussy.
This is a new incentive. Been here about a year.
Tamara,
yes to say.
calm it down. Rose, calm down.
So you're local, then? Yeah. I've been here for about 17 years. You must have seen some
Vex man because at the end of the day, liar and Chip was the one that tell her and Rosie for run and Rosie never run. Chip did not tell Rosie for run and she never run and she still have liar around her circle and liar come do her this. If I don't meet Akmo, me just a the person where did they run liar circle and me feel away. To Rosie White Akmo to chat to no stop man. What did they run liar circle? I said, John, what this could have happened to me. But I just show me Tamara did ever real. And she come out and she tell a lie. So me, Tamara officer, we want a receipt. Cause we know you work with receipt. So what about the receipt now, mama? Just the truth. She have to talk, she hurt.
Tamara, you probably miss a tackle liar. Tamara, you know, probably miss a tackle blood clot liar. One liar start to question me. Liar start to literally question me. My feelings about the boy. See, we have question my feelings about the boy for. Come and talk that boy. Wait, what kind of question you ask me? Don't question me, amigo man. Don't question me. Say it to him. So the fucking I tell me, oh, yeah, name what friend I am. Speak about what? What exactly? You know some boy, yo? I never see me on the last class. You know some boy, yo? Me ever from somewhere? You know shit with nobody. I'm not talking about me not like that. Now I'm going to talk about because look, I'm hungry. I'm not even a blood clot way.
Calm down, Rosie. Calm down, baby. Calm down.
You know what I hate? When I have people back, they tell me something different. But that me hate. But nah, this yo. If me want to ask that, I call you, ask that, I meet you, ask that. I'm not listen to people that get them a blood clot head. You really like a tell about a liar, blood clot. If you want them to allow you, tell me to allow you, man. We still get about a liar, blood clot. I am a smarty.
People, this are typically Jamaican woman. See, them sit down with them one another and chat other people, and when they mash up, everything exposed and revealed. Let me know what you think, right? I'll move on to the next.
Some things may not add up. Like for example, I really don't want to talk, you know. Some things may not add up. I'm a record. I know people say when you record people, you're not doing it genuinely, but I was in the situation genuinely, but there was a lot of red flags. There was a lot of red flags. I mean, did I think about to say, when the day come, this is my truth. Because remember, all of on the media did I say me a Peter Gay, and me know me a Peter Gay. Me know is a victim. I don't know the victim from nowhere. Me come cross Peter Gay over Rosealee like everything starts. So me don't know why the people them never say Peter Gay or Rosealee. Me don't know why the people them never say Peter Gay and me. When I over Rosealee like I hear of Peter Gay. You hear me I come from? The first time I hear of Peter Gay was over Rosealee like. And the fact that the entire media say me record. Well, if I red flags when we just start fight the situation. When you stop telling me to stop, now make me talk. Leave me, make me talk. I be a hypocrite and Judas me the road. Leave me, make me talk, me hurt. When you can't tell me not to talk and how to feel, I bring down TikTok liar. To play with my bumper clad feelings and emotion. Why the fuck you not text me about nothing to talk? Me not have nothing for hide. Me not have bumper clad nothing for hide. What do you mean by me not to talk? When you tell me something I'm come back live and now make me left from 0 to 100 real quick. What do you mean by me not for bumper clad talk? What do you mean by? What do you mean by? Maybe I want to say I'm a Peter Gay. What do you mean by? What do you mean by me not to talk? When stop text my phone going to talk? What do you mean by me not to talk? I want to them people here. Well, them people that make me not to talk, I'm going to say anything me I talk, I have receipt, my record. I eat me a confess to uno, say my record. Then I eat me a tell uno, me a confess to uno, and why me do it? Uno fi just listen. What do you mean by me not to talk? Am I truth? I mean have evidence of my truth. Everything what me I go say me have it for recording in my phone. I mean I tell you why me do the record. Uno just shut the fuck up and listen and tap text me about no talk. Uno the one lie I bring Peter Gay in our back go bring me down a while ago. After me cry for Peter Gay so much night. Me do fasting for Peter Gay. When she tell me that she want unalive, I said me in this blood clot now me have no food for me need a pray for her. What do you mean by me not to talk, Chad? Chad, I understand what you mean by me not to talk. What do you mean by me not to talk? I don't understand them people, you know. What do you mean by me not to talk? What do you mean by me not to talk? I don't understand, I don't know. What do you mean by... Blood clot, man. I'm managing media, you know. What do you mean by me not to talk? People mean by me not to talk, Father God. After the years I have recorded me never talk. After the years I have recorded me never talk. And they say Peter Gay go bring me down so me never have brains and record everything. And Peter Gay go in at the box go bad talk me and bring me down when I believe it. But because my ball out and my record everything she jump on the box and everything stop. When I for going man it's not real bro. When it's not real bro. A whole heap of people me lose to Peter Gay and a whole heap of people me almost lose to Peter Gay too. I want to make me look like idiot, bro. They make me look like clown, bro. What do you mean by me not to talk? I mean, I no secret food, no. What do you mean by me not to talk? Me talk when me know and play when me record too. Fuck with me here about in this bitch. Laugh, I found in because I don't think on a 2-step ahead of me, I'm 22-step ahead. Come like, you don't hear my story time when I come up on the media. I live at my yard and I put up friend and then bring in man, come rob them. I don't trust people. More time I tell them my story them when I go through in a real life. I don't tell them I live at yard and me a friend who homeless, put them up on a gunman and bring in at my place, come rob me. More time I tell them that. More time I tell them that. More time I tell you that. Only for time I tell you that. Only for time I tell you that. You're not going to tell me say don't talk. I have a bag of things to talk and a bag of recordings to play. That me I tell you now. This is who I look for me different. So I love give me a bad name. I just love call me name. And so when Peter Gay's story come out, I mean I defend Peter Gay well out on the media say me. You don't beat me and say me. I love give people bad name. I love give people bad name. I don't like your truth. I don't like your bumbleclad truth. I don't like your truth. As me I tell you now, back to my story time. Tap up the screen and share it to live. So chat. I defend Peter Gay everything.
Hey, my people, you see them something here just show me say woman can't learn. Them stuck in them ways. Because history show over the years how woman chat other people and when them broke away, everything was out. And them continue to do it over and over. It's like them no learn from the how much years are back. You see me I say how much decades are back and something. Where people sit down and chat people, even before social media, them no learn.
Some things just look be a red flag. Me the TikTok liar, Mother and Rosealee never did here. Me and TikTok liar and Peter Gay me a talk about. Chat, let me tell you when since me start recording the conversation then. I think Roger did come out and say she don't name Peter Gay. Story time. Can't make me third class for one of years. Alright, now what do you see? You know what we do now, make my top one up. You see how what can come in this morning and we are cook right now. I have work to go in a minute. I'm in an eyeglass. So anyway, let me tell you my story time now. I think Roger did come out and say the girl down named Peter Gay. Right? When Roger did come out and say the girl down named Peter Gay, Peter Gay did insist to prove that she named Peter Gay. I think liar, I don't know, but she sent liar the birth certificate, her birth certificate. She sent liar her birth certificate. When she sent liar the birth certificate, I remember exactly what happened when she sent liar the birth certificate. Liar can't listen to me over there. When she sent liar the birth certificate chat, I'm telling you where I start record. When she sent liar the birth certificate, let me just say something on the birth certificate in the right on the media. Something on the whole media did bring down the birth certificate. I can't remember exactly what them said was wrong with the birth certificate, but the media just said something wrong with the birth certificate. I bring it to my girlfriend. Me see the birth certificate end up on Lioness, one mix up page. Post the birth certificate and I was angry about the situation. I call liar, I call Peter Gay, I say liar. Oh, Peter Gay birth certificate reach out there. Because you say I defend a victim and me say me I defend a victim. I mean I never put my birth certificate out there. So why Peter Gay birth certificate out there? Me I tell you why me start screen record, why me start record the conversation them. TikTok lawyer told me that Peter Gay asked her to put the birth certificate out there to prove that her name is Peter Gay. Okay, fine. it for the people them know say she name Peter Gay. No problem. Chat. Peter Gay call me and tell me a different story. So I got confused. Like, what is going on? Me and Lawyer and Peter Gay just step on the phone. Lawyer say Peter Gay want proof to the people say she name Peter Gay. That's why she send it to she Lawyer. Me don't know how the mix-up page and name Lioness get the birth certificate. But Peter Gay gave that birth certificate to TikTok Lawyer. And me did vex the birth certificate upon the media. Come here and say, my birth certificate not upon the media. So why Peter Gay birth certificate upon the media? Trust? Peter Gay call me and tell me something different. Peter Gay call me and tell me say, I have it for recording, I have everything for recording when I say. Now Peter Gay call me and say, Lawyer asked her for your birth certificate and she send it go give Lawyer and she delete it. Right? And she started crying on chat. She said she sent Lawyer this birth certificate and delete it. And just to see the birth certificate on the media, that mean Lawyer screenshot the birth certificate already. So me I said, no man, we not understand this. We not understand this. And then I hear Lawyer on the media, like she encourage the people and say, me post the birth certificate chat, that's why I start record them. That's the reason why I start record for this. Like today. When me behind closed door, I cut Lawyer and Peter Gay to make the birth certificate upon the media. And me the behind the scene, you know, I cut TikTok Lawyer, you know, and Peter Gay, you know. Why the birth certificate upon the media, you know? Because me, we are different Peter Gay would have never put my birth certificate upon the media. So I had a problem with it. So I called Peter Gay. Macy don't know about this. Macy wasn't there. Rosealee don't know about this. Rosealee wasn't there. But my phone know about it because it's all recorded. As me I tell you now, why me start recording. This is the reason to me I say good enough. Lawyer tell me Peter Gay forced her to put out the birth certificate for proof to the people them say she named Peter Gay. And then Peter Gay go make me know say Lawyer. She send Lawyer the birth certificate and delete it just to prove say she named Peter Gay. And people I tell her say Peter Gay say when her remember who she say her auntie or somebody for her tell her say her birth certificate upon the media. I mean listen TikTok Lawyer upon the media I make it sound like I may put out Peter Gay birth certificate. So me start record, me sorry. So no one come about blood clot me. No one come about me. So me start record. So if you can't get it, till we stop talk everything in my phone. No one come about me. Now they not set me up. I got through enough in a real life. Put up girl in my house and then bring in gunman for me if you gun blood clot me and rob me. So how me make up on the media play me? No mad? How me make up on the media play me? You cannot play me. You come for me and know me go come but your hungry belly pitney them D. Because tell me if this makes sense. Me and your class each other. I'ma put one big old hood for your daughter more cause she look like she so good. Yeah. So me deserve to put it on it and I will put it on it again. A bigger, better.
People, what me been telling you over the years, me been telling you say, oh, Ivany, now have no change. You see me, I say, sometimes we go all out and everything gets so overwhelming, it ease off and then tell the people them say certain things you nah do. And by your quinty I aim that I do certain things. Remember, she said she top class people pick me, you know. I watch her now. So, anybody who I believe in her what she say most time, them just stupid. You know what I mean? Just take her for who she is. You see me, I say, she will have a change her heart more while, change for a month or two, and then I see that again. Just know say I see that.
One this time. Huh? And that was long fucking time ago. I never beg back friend from you. You run up in at me. Cause me no walk and beg friend from people, bro. Me no want nobody tell me for stop. Cause when they come for me, nobody no sick. But when I answer them system, I give them what them want. That argument between me, how much years ago that? And she make song for me, she run out. Oh man, I know the life looks so like weird. She run out for me with one song. And me run out back with her for one song and clap her and done her. You run back into me and you beg friend for me, because I never beg friend for you. I never text you and tell you sorry, because I'm not sorry about no what I put on the internet. I don't sorry about anything. If a man want to chop off all them head to them, I'm going to post and laugh. Because one thing is when I fuck around you, and you fuck around me, I'm going to give you all. I'm going to give a fuck who wants to say you're gone too far. I go suck on no mama. People for trouble Vani, but Van no for say nothing. Me don't give a fuck if a man want to chop off all them head look more and dash it away. People for always come about blood clot me. And oh, them not gone too far. But when me answer, me gone too far. When me answer, me gone. When me tell her my blood clot mine, for a girl when I trouble her, me gone far. But when she trouble me, only never see she don't need for blood clot trouble me. I want a hungry belly there and her tree rock back them. Our tree brachiosaurus them. Our tree look a whoring prostitute them. Now make me have to go down back this blood clot road, you know, girl. Cause you know my mouth no giant church. Now make me have to go back down that road there. You want to come back? Go suck some batty hole. Come in and see where in the world you can do for come back. Fear money last 1 business days. Your job a series never go to 1 week. You take a set pan and it never go 1 day. You see Jabba and Pops in a music thing. You try to make all 10 different posts you make about it. It's still not care you go nowhere. So you know Vani come with the views and you go try. I fastest me see your life clock go 2K and then by not even a second it clock back gone down at 300. Girl, I can't get the views off of me, and if I'm money I look for go back to school, you not get it neither. Kind of haters support me, I'm a sensation them. What? What the fuck? Me and this bitch have argument. How much years that ago? Me and the girl a cuss. And she make song for me and make back song for her. And it squat and it done. And she run up in my blood clot and she run up in me and her turn back. Me and her be associate on the internet. I will play with match, I will go on ways. Not just one day, you see my porn video come out. And yeah, congratulations me for my porn video. Hypocrite, girl, me not like hypocrite people. And I said, me I want a friend pan you, cause no hypocrite and I laugh at that people face and I no fake. Nowadays when me go over OF, you did have the most for say. And I say, remember me make you go in a Skilly video, Skilly Bang song, and me make no voice reach in there. Skilly Bang no soon I put on in on. If you look at my page, everybody will have something for say about me, and me take up all of them videos and put them together and post it on my page. And that same video the Skilly take and put in a song. And you did have something good for say. Dee, no couple days ago you're in my man box. Come on no. No couple days ago you're in my man box. I tell my man, oh Vani love you. And you need to go call Vani, because Vani says she just want the money and you and her good. Nobody never said a screen record there. When Dee in a king box couple days ago, she has some other lady. And I said, Vani, miss you and Vani love you. Vani said, if you give her the money you come, we're not telling any lie. Go on over the king and you're in my man box. I try, but I don't know where the fuck you're even reaching in my man box. Because I never ask for your 2 cents. If I want my man, I just call him like I call him when I'm in New York and say I want fuck and him come today. I don't need you to fix my relationship because it never spoil. A boy never block me and me block a boy and I feel like more unblock a boy. I don't understand you. So how now Dee she jump up in an argument? First thing first, me I talk about my problem on the fish fry. And me I said I don't want the guy where did want to take picture with ice alone take picture. Yeah, I know I said the bitch turn on her live and the people them say she never that say nothing bad. And me pass the screen record them and hear them for myself. And that's why what day from what day I watch when people tell me things when I listen to comments, I watch for myself. And I see the screen record and the girl have tears in her eye on live. I talk about yes, you see how it feel. As somebody feel when you tell me about me. That's a 2 different story, baby. A 2 different story that even if nobody around long your pitney for picture. You can't mix my pitney with your pitney. I's a general, I's a star. I don't know what for your pitbull them. Or your mongrel them.
I never seen nobody around enough to take picture yet. So don't mix my son with fear, hypocrite, dirty, warring, suck, pussy, blood clot, pitney them. I beg the man, I beg me for take picture with ice. Beg. I'ma tell the man no, and the man go behind my back and them love ice. Go behind my back and take picture for sure how the man will want the picture with ice. I don't see nobody around for your hungry blood clot, that Godzilla pitney them for take picture. You're gonna tell me about, oh, it's the same thing when me did that. So that means say you still have me up for the things that mama say. I up in my face I play my people like Uno will kill people. People like Uno will kill people. Cause you know you don't like me and you know you have me up same way from long time. I can't stop you from have me up. I don't owe you no apology cause everything must say it from the heart. If you don't see me come apologize to somebody on the internet, it's rare. I must rate things me for you on a whole different level. I tell any girl or any boy about them mama, them sister, them brother, them. I'm a gone about my business. I'm never apologize to you yet because everything I say was truthful, come from the heart. Them whoring, none of that I say. So how you laugh up in my face every day? But no, it's true you see a little thing. It come like you could wait. I first, hey. It coming like the old faggot could wait for something happen for she come out here. Like it is sit down on the edge. I wait for something come out with me and eyes for come bring up back long time story. Hate me that much for things we say about your kid, but you don't hate your baby father will send girl up the hill one by one for beat up your blood clot. Baby father will arm and pull you and nearly broke all your neck and make you walk with your neck stiff. Who you for hate you not hate? Baby father will left you pity them for suffer. At least for me wanna fight for them in the ice life. Me not see fear fight. The only thing him do a fight the girl him for go up there go beat up your blood clot. Who no for eat on the not eat? Who no for have up on the not have up? Go have up your baby father, go have up Jelani. Go and have up Jelani where run left you. Call him married, the married man not stay with you, you know. No ever talk about my pussy a man not stay with me. But the pussy and a run man and my dirty ways run man. I never hear say the front make a boy have to run way. Never. And Uno have married finger a man still a run way left for no. A man still a run way left for no. Eh? You know me feel one bad spirit about the bitch from what day ya. Remember good. You remember when me did say to no say me say a girl fake, she fake. Me I show a girl fake. People don't say I'm a bad man, but that's true. It's true, everything will come on live, come check. What year when she and Jabba series are going and them are going?
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. We soon go over the and hear what the officer. This is what I say.
One of them thing. Dee did I get her 5,000, 6,000 views. Every time she clock live, she get her 5,000, 6,000 views. 6,000 views. 6,000 views. Get a call. She did have 6,000 to 7,000 people on her live when the series thing did not go on with her. I never run up myself in her argument yet. When Jabba's break her heart and everybody break her heart into two, I still never give my cent and everybody think me jump up. I never have no office about this orange girl. You know what the bitch do? Me see her over there, she have her views. No, because me see she have her views, make me send her a request. Because the day me around, because me say, me see if she play. And she decline me. I don't know if it's true. Me go send her the request the day when she must see over there cuss her something and she lick her chip. And she unfollow me. Even Jabba's did unfollow me. So the two of them unfollow me. Guys, I first me come live, come talk this. When I hear me say, I want me to do now, make Dee unfollow me. She unfollow me. She unfollow me for no reason at all. She get a look of fame and get a look of view. She unfollow me. She don't want to socialize with people when I get views like her. I'm come love and I say, guys, I know I said the girl unfollow me. I don't do her nothing. And people them say, don't get her no watch that. If they want unfollow and then go on. I don't say nothing back. When I look, she come follow me back again since the OF thing did go on and Skilly sing the song. She come follow me back and make one. I make her look a video them. She even make one video and post on her page and say, guys, send out a message to Vani. Tell Vani say me never unfollow her and da. And people them in the comment, it's still up on her page. And the people them on her comments, in her comments I say, so what the time where you make video send out message, why you not just go text Vani and tell Vani yourself? And from that message say, girl, I want to look a hypocrite. So now why you see me a fish fry and you come tell me, say, oh, remember what you do to my kids. Dee, for me, I look for pay school fee or any form of food or anything. Now go work. I'm not study the views that come, baby. You cannot come back for the map. You fall off. And you're the first person to see go viral in a one day and by midnight you drop off. People take a couple weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks for drop off. You drop off midnight. That's what me I look for go back on trending. Come on for me, man, drunk row. Come on for me, dead dog. So just walk and make unnecessary problem. Cause if you know you're still hurt over the situation that we gone a long time. I can't play hypocrite, you know? I can't play hypocrite. If me not like you, me I tell you straight, say, hey, me not like. Why you think me have big teeth and big gum? No friend. You think me just did this class or pretty, so me look in her face and say you're a hypocrite and me can't sit through you. That's why me have big teeth and big gum, no friend. Remember good, remember me first, all of them on the internet and me first crash out pan. Me tell her, say, listen, me say, true, you're a hypocrite, you know. Say something tell her in her face pan life. You're a hypocrite, you know. And me and can't go be friend. Yeah, me and can't go be friend. That's how it start. Another hypocrite thing there. And you know what they want to say now? Which is, me expect it. They might go post up screen record, which they already did when me say, our three Godzilla them hungry. And them I post up, oh, Vani going too far, bringing people kids. Oh, no, know me, we bring all the dogs. So why the fuck you still a fuck around me? Why you still a fuck around me? Like, why? Why you still a fuck around me? Why? Go on, boy, your business, no, man. And allow me alone. Never me look apart and do my thing. Leave me a blood clot alone. And according to Uno, I talk about, oh, she did, Vani think she slick cause she bring ice cause she don't want to get the beating. Be real. If me need to get beaten, what stop me? Nowadays people are look on pitney. You're there in one corner with 30 odd man. I don't even did see you. A screen record me see. I'm call it say me alone go. Me and my friend. Call it say and me alone go. Call it say and me alone go. No.
Alright, so my people, we're gonna go over the, you know, and hear what the officer.
And them are going like them know, you know. Them know. Who know and watch my live know say my been plan for carry ice.
One of me pitney them face. You put it on it, who want me baby them face? Cause them time them had only two pitney. You put it on it, two of them face. Moderator, everybody in here where I laugh, block them. Every single body in here where I skin them teeth, block them. Because here's the thing. You see what is joke to Uno is dead to another person. And someone now go understand where I'm coming from. You wanna know why? Because people never have phone pick me and share them out. Phone baby them and share them out with them things upon them face. So they now go understand. But you know what's fucked up and what's funny about the situation? Ivany understand what she did. And that is why it hurt me so fucking much. And that's why it hurt me so goddamn much. Because you see Ivany come out last night and I was like she don't want nobody to do that to fear her fucking child. After she did it to mine, it grieved me soul. It grieved me goddamn soul because that means that you know you fucking traumatized me. You know that you traumatized me. You know you did that. And
not a fucking real place, because the things they want to idolize and the things they want to run with sometimes, it is ridiculous and it is crazy to me. It's ridiculous and it's crazy to me. The things they want to idolize. Remember me telling you that. Some on upon this, me not expect better from. I don't expect better from none, from some of uno. Because some on upon this, uno with the worst. Uno with the worst. So me not expect that from some of uno. But when you see somebody, something not happen to a person, but they are so worried that it will happen, knowing that they did it to somebody else. That cut everything in every bone in my body that ate me from last night until now. Every bone in my body hurt me from last night until now, I'm telling you. Every single bone in my body hurting me. Because at the end of the day, some of the times in life, we have to be careful what we do to people. We have to be careful what we do to people. Because here what the problem now. Here what is the problem now. It not gonna hurt you until you are in the situation where it can hurt you, for you to realize how much pain you've inflicted on somebody else. And that is the reason why, no matter when me and people have over here on TikTok, if you no look, I don't mention them kids and I don't go too far out. And if I mention them kids, it is something that is already being spoken or already being voiced on the app. I will make reference to. But you now see me come and I cuss my people pick me and I put penis on people picking the face and then come running scared from the same very thing that I did to somebody that did not happen to me. So you now gonna understand why I feel the way how I feel. Y'all won't get it, but make me tell you something. You see, when you wake up in the morning and you turn in your bed, and when you look, you see you're picking it all over the media with them thing upon them face. You feel like you're just unalive everybody. You feel like you want brown man pan everybody. Remember me telling you that. And one thing with me pan this app, I don't know I'm gonna walk and pick trouble. I don't know I'm gonna trouble people. But when I am telling you that when I saw the frustration in Ivany's face last night, and when I saw her walking away, even mommy sweetness, what Ivany also loves so much, Ivany run from a walk from so fast because she was so scared that people is going to take her baby's photo and do the same thing to her child that she did to mine. She was so scared. And when I saw that, the only thing me could have said to, she never apologized. She did not apologize. The only thing I could say to myself was wow. And that alone me could have said to myself. The only thing me could have said to myself was wow. And I'm telling you that that was a trigger for me. That was a trigger for me. I could have Monday little big stinking, or I could have Monday go suck out your mother, come out of my life. I could have Monday. Come out of this, you bitch. Get the fuck up off. Where I tell me see a blood class on the farm. I don't have calendar. I don't have one expo to say if I want to know the day. Moderator, any one of them come in and I behave like them stupid, you block them. Some man just come in who don't understand what I'm talking about. Let me explain again. Black that one when name world boss. Listen to me I say. I'm saying any one of them will comment no shit, block them. Hear what happened now, right? I'm saying last night I was watching a screen record. I say Ivany run at me. I say I want to Ivany now. Because I remember say Ivany and Miss Triple was going at it when the fish fry thing did come up. So I said Jesus Christ over same picnic argument, you know. So I said Jesus Christ over the Ivany now also. When me look, me realize or stop the chat. When me look, me realize say Ivany say in the screen record say, no mommy sweetness, me I go over there so me go call one Uber. Because them a try to take ice picture and me them to take my picture. Don't take my picnic picture. Next thing me look when they take my picture, they go put penis for me picnic them for my son mouth. That's what she said. She said next thing me look, they go take him picture and put penis for him mouth or for him face. Yes, when I saw that, it is a trigger for me. You wanna know why it's a trigger for me? Because me and Ivany that argue, Ivany take down my baby them picture and put penis on them face. And I left the situation long time ago. If me that look cloud from Ivany, would have come out, come talk. From when Ivany that go viral the other day for OnlyFans. Ivany been viral. Ivany has never not been viral. You don't understand that. This is not an attack to Ivany. This is me telling Ivany as a man. This is me telling Ivany as a man. This is me telling Ivany as her baby. Moving forward, when your people are cussed, do me I beg you, not do there something there again. Just make them think they can. And this is for everybody that is a mother. Be careful what you do to other people picnic. Be careful what you do to other people picnic. Because listen, you're going to have a fear at one point in a life, so somebody are going to do it to you. You're going to have the fear that somebody is going to do it to you. You get where I come from? When you realize, say, me not class Ivany, me not cuss
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. We'll watch some more.
Ivany, me not call her no names. Me not call her out her name. I'm also not afraid to call her name because me and Ivany know what I'm talking about. Me and her know what I'm talking about. This is not an insult. It's not a disrespect. It is basically me. And it traumatized the fuck out of me, so I get where you're coming from. So when young people are arguing at the future, and this is for everybody, not only Ivany, not involve people picnic. Not do them thing there. You see them little thing there? Them little thing there? Me not know, and guys, I don't know if you realize that I hardly come on TikTok nowadays. You know, I hardly come on TikTok and I hardly come over here. And the reason I hardly come over here is because when people argue with you, them not argue with you again and not listen to me. Them argue with you, picnic them. I mean, I talk about Ivany, no, I talk about everybody, no, I talk about everybody. Like, when you have people over here cuss no master, you picnic them fair game. Some things when they say about you picnic them, I God alone can't erase it. I'm telling you, TikTok is not a safe place. TikTok is, why me at, brother, she no star. Sometimes I wish I could have like, nobody could know me picnic them. You hear? Because them things that it traumatized you. Me I tell you, it and I did not know that was a trigger for me. And me have to talk. I had to talk to get it. I just have to get it off of my chest. I have to get it off of my chest. I could have sit down on it. I told her, say, one night last night, my head, it's like my head hurt me. My head hurt me all night last time. I say my head hurt me. I say me get up this morning and my company live. My company live, a different thing me I talk about. And as me click live, so it flash back in my head. Me I tell you now. I say I feel, last night when my ear vanished, I say I felt it. I felt it. Feel it. I feel it. Me I tell you. Up to now, guys, I don't bring myself to delete the photos from my phone. They're still in my phone right now. They are still in my phone. Oh, these young people have so much worries. Old lady, like how you don't know worries, you just go and buy your business, eh? Because again, some of you just not have no sense, you know. You just not have no sense. Some people understand it and some people get it, while some people, them not gonna understand. Remember, not everybody have the same IQ. Remember, not everybody, you know, and everybody upstairs righteous and righted. But the smarts will get it, and then the one them will love mix up and baga go run and say me say, women never say. In which I don't care, because who want to come for me can't come for me. I'm that bitch. People always are come for me and I'm not even on the app. So it doesn't matter me who are come for me. It doesn't matter me who talk bad about me. At the end of the day, I came, I voiced my opinion, me telling you how I feel. At the same time, I still never disrespect her. Still not bring her down.